happening. Couple days ago, my buddy called me. I don't know how he find this lady, I don't know, but he found a Lexus LS400, like with only 71,000 kilometers, and it's in mint conditions. I didn't see yet, but stay with me and I will show you. Okay everyone, are you ready to see the Lexus LS400 with only, guys, with only 70,000 kilometers? Lexus LS, look, 71. This is my first experience driving Lexus LS400 with only 71,000 kilometers. And what I would like to say, guys, we didn't buy yet. We are thinking about, and also price a little bit high, but it's unbelievable comfortable vehicle, guys. I feel like somebody, you know, like kissing me like this, like so gentle, so comfortable, super quiet. And also don't forget, it's one with that FE engine right here under the hood. Oh, very comfortable. 71,000 kilometers, can you believe it? Guys, we just bought this vehicle. Look, the license plate 007. Now this legend needs a polish, little bit love, unbelievable emotional, honestly. Like, it's 1997, even listen to the music. Some old, I don't know who is this lady. Text in the comment if you know what the sound is from. Hello everyone. No, unfortunately I didn't buy a brand new Lexus. This is almost brand new Lexus. It's a Lexus LS400 with only 71,000 kilometers. Can you believe this? And we bought this car yesterday from the lady. She was 99 years old, guys. 99 years old. Here, actually, local in Vancouver. She not driven too much. How you can see, the car in mint condition. No, yeah, it has some minor scratches. But she take care of this because she always does the maintenance on Lexus dealers. What's special about this vehicle? Why I would like to show this vehicle on my channel? Because first of all, it's a mileage. Second one, the history about this Lexus. Like, it's 1997 in mint condition with very reliable one of that FE engine, V8 of course. Okay, let's go, guys. I don't want this video will be long. Check this interior, super clean, leather seats. Look, little bit scratch right here. It's about features inside, not too much. Honestly, like, it's a climate control for 1997, it's a lot. I am personally really like this one. Huge buttons because I'm getting cold, 30 years old, and it's nice to push. I can see it. But best things ever, it's a Lexus phone. It's actually working. You can hear it, but needs to install probably SIM card or something. No service, but it's working. And pretty much that's it. Look how much room, leg room, headroom. Like, it's very comfortable seat here. Even for long distance, we can drive to Kelowna 5 hours without any problems. People back in these days, a lot of people smoke. It's small stretch right here, and oh my god, I don't know what is this name. Please write down in the comment. I don't know in English. Precurative. If you would like me and my team help you to find a car like this, please check the link below this video, and my team can help you to find a car like this. Guys, I would like to mention, like, it's very comfortable tools room right here. You know, like, hidden pocket right here for the tools. Look, brand new Lexus tools with Lexus flashlights. Need to replace just the battery, but you see, Japan. And we bought this car with all services from 1997, guys. Write down in the comment your opinion. What do you think about the chrome rims like this? In my opinion, I don't really like it, but probably back in these days it was a like fancy style, I don't know. what I would like to tell you. With this car, you will have lots of attention, so much. Like I'm driving right now in Vancouver, everybody looking at me like this. Oh my god, because this car in very good shape. But only one problem, not from girls, guys. Only men looking at you. Girls unfortunately don't really understand what the car is this. I'm really big fan about Lexus and Toyota, you know. Seriously guys, I'm crying when I'm driving this vehicle. I heard the people tell me, like my friends, oh, this is like Mercedes S-Class. Guys, you can't compare this vehicle to Mercedes. This is Lexus, that's it. Let me know in the comment if somebody knows, but I feel like these seats in Lexus LS400 have the air suspension or what, like air pumps, because it's very, you know, when the road is bumpy, I don't feel anything inside because it's like jumping, you know. Okay guys, we parked this vehicle in my buddy garage for the winter time. Don't forget to subscribe, put the like, and you will see more videos about this car.